Hey there, Nick with AZInsight. In this video, we're going to be looking at the sell price based on profit feature found in AZInsight. We're going to look at how it works and what information it gives you. Keep in mind, the sell price based on profit feature works by taking into account your buy cost. So you must know your buy cost in order to use this feature. So let's start by going to the AZInsight calculator. The first thing we'll need to do is put in a buy cost. For this example, I'm going to put in $3 under FBA. Now, locate and click on the information icon next to the word profit. When you do this, a window will appear. On the top, you'll see the first row is the profit. This is the dollar amount that you wish to target as your profit. We've already included from 0 to 50. At the end of the table, you'll notice an input field. Here you can put in your custom profit that you wish to target. For this example, let's say if I want to make $60 as a profit. I put in 60 and then AZInsight will calculate what I need to sell this at FBA or FBM in order for me to meet that profit target. For this example, it's telling me $80.19 I have to sell this at FBA in order to make $60 profit, and $81.17 for FBM in order to make a profit of $60. This is useful for when you're looking for a profit amount. If you want to put a new number in, just click on the X to the left of the input field. Here, we're going to enter in 10. So AZInsight recalculates and tells me that in order to make $10 profit, I need to sell this at FBA for $21.36 and FBM $22.34. If you want to put the sell price into the calculator, simply click on the number underneath the profit amount. For this example, I'm going to click on $21.36. As you can see, AZInsight now put in under the calculator $21.36. The sell price based on profit feature is useful if you know what profit you want to make and need to know your sell price that you need to sell it on Amazon for. And that about covers it for this video. If you have any questions, reach out to a customer champion at support.azinsight.com.